everybody, and today I'm going to be teaching you another one of Vedic Maths tricks. So this one is going to be about multiplying by 9. So basically, this is quite easy, but there is kind of like a formula to it. So it's hard to do it in your head, but if you can, that's really great. So I'm just gonna so first of all I'm gonna show you the formula and then I'm gonna show you an example. So let's say we were multiplying a number x, y, z by 9. What we would have to do, so x is the first digit, y is the second digit, z is the third digit. It doesn't just have to be a 3-digit number, it can be absolutely any amount of digits, as long as you have enough space to it, as you will see. So basically it's 9 plus x slash 9 minus x plus y slash 9 minus y plus z slash 10 minus z. And if there is more digits, you would rub out the 10 minus z, and instead what you would do is keep going 9 minus z plus whatever digit, blah 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 and so on. But at the very ending, let me just rub that out. But at the very ending you would do 10 minus the last digit, so z. So since it's only a 3-digit number, we only have 4 separate sections. So that's basically the formula, and there is more to it, but I can't really show you because I have to do the calculations and stuff. So I'm just going to start out with an example. How about 285 times 9? I just made that up. Equals, so that's what we're going to be doing. So as the formula says, we have to do 9 plus 2 equals 11. And then we have to do 9 minus 2 plus 8. So 9 minus 2 is 7. Oh, and we do have to follow BODMAS. Not BODMAS, we have to go left to right. So 9 minus 2 is 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. Slash 9 minus 8 plus 5, which is equal to 9 minus 8 is 1 plus 5 is 6. And then 10 minus 5, which is equal to 5. So if we get all the answers together, it's 11 slash 15 slash 6 slash 5. Now what we have to do is we have to see if there's any 2-digit numbers inside of the boxes. I'm just going to call them boxes because why not? So there's a 2-digit numbers right there. Actually, wait, before you do any of that, what you have to do is you have to delete the first digit of the entire thing. So just cross out the very first number, and it will always be a 1 no matter whatever you have. So I'm just going to rub that out. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to see if there's 2 digits in any of the boxes, and there is in this one right here. So what we have to do is we have to transfer the second digit, so the first digit, and add it to the one on the immediate left. So this one. If it was here, then we would need to add it to this one. But since it's here, we need to add it to this one. So that will make it 2, because 1 plus 1 is 2. And then 5. Well, we don't need slashes anymore. Oh god, that's horrible. Okay, so 2, 5, 6, 5. That's the answer. I'm just gonna kind of do a check right here. Well, obviously, like 9. Okay, I'm not really gonna do a check because I can tell that 9 times 5, just the units digit, will be 45. So it will end in 5, and there's a 5 right there. So I'm not really gonna do the entire calculation. Just a little check to see if that's right, and it should be right if you follow the instructions correctly. So that equals 285 times 9. And that's basically how you do it. So you just have to remember this formula, but if there's more than 3 digits, you just keep adding more. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right there, as well as the subscribe button, which is also right next to it. And if you want to be notified, then click these Sorry for the break in between, but if you want to be notified when I upload my videos, then just click the bell symbol, which appears right next to the subscribe button, but only after you've subscribed. So make sure to subscribe. And goodbye, see you in my next video.